Have you ever had salted coffee? You must find it very strange to extract coffee with salt. Hello, I'm JASSY. Today we will make salted brew Americano with this brand new espresso machine. Throwing 1000-year hockey puck. Purified water to 7 parts full. Add coffee beans into the bean hopper. Rotate the hopper and set the thinness to the desired grinding position. 3 to 5 grinding size are fit for espresso. Next is grinding. Add a pinch of salt to the powder. Tamp it. Ensure the surface is smooth. Release hot water before brewing coffee. Then start to extract espresso. Salt is a wonderful thing. Sweet will become sweeter by adding salt. The combination of salt and coffee is also a wonderful collision. Put a pinch of salt into coffee. Can make acidity more lively and taste smoother. On the way to creative coffee we have never stopped. Suggest you to try.